Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 104 of trying a new makeup product every day. So for day 100, I posted a giveaway. That giveaway is still open. It's open until May 18th, so I'll link that video up above so you can enter my giveaway if you haven't already done so. Today's product is another dollar store e.l.f. product. So this is the Eyebrow Lifter and Filler. This is a brand new product at my dollar store because I go basically weekly to the Dollar Tree near me, and this was there when I was there yesterday, and it was my first time seeing it, and I was like, oh, a brow product from e.l.f. Like, I have to give this a try, and I love the idea of it having a kind of like outlining shade, because the trend of filling in eyebrows is to fill them in and then outline with like concealer so that they look extra like sharp and precise. But this seems like it could make that whole process so much easier by just having a kind of pencil to do the outlining with. So my Dollar Tree only had this in the shade Light and Ivory, which, I mean, luckily for me, I do tend to wear ivory skin tones and light eyebrow shades. And this product is not tested on animals. Oh my gosh. So as I was opening this, I was like, oh, this is probably one of those pencils that you need to sharpen. Now, I don't know if I have a pencil sharpener big enough, but how awesome is this? It has a sharpener right in the cap. Alright, so let's start out by seeing how it writes on my hand. This is the Lift shade in Ivory, and then we have the Light shade. So those wrote so smoothly and pigmented. I don't think that the Light shade is super light, but I think that it could still work for me. The instructions on the packaging say to take the Lift shade and outline the lower part of the eyebrow to create the shape. And the one thing that this doesn't have with it is a spoolie, so I have my little spoolie on my tiny little L'Oreal eyebrow pencil. This started out as a full-size pencil and I just love it so much, and I use it so much that it's down to the tiniest little stub. I don't know if on camera you can see how obvious of a line that is, but then it says to blend it into the brow bone. Okay, I guess that blends fine, but I don't know if I would necessarily start with that. I think I'd rather start with filling in my actual eyebrows before outlining them. Wow, that goes on so pigmented. I was trying to use the lightest hand to fill in my brows and they look so dark. It's also such a thick crayon that it's hard to get like the precise lines and shape. And I definitely feel like you need a spoolie to blend and comb this product into your eyebrows. Okay, so I feel like my eyebrow is filled in well enough. I'm gonna see if I can define it with the Ivory shade. Okay, so my eyebrow is filled in. You can get a good contrast of how the eyebrow looks with the product on versus nothing. And it looks okay, but it's so hard to work with and it's not precise. I think that this product would be so much better if it was a thin pencil, because you want your eyebrows to be precise. You want to be able to create hair-like strokes when you're using a pencil, and that's just very impossible with this very thick pencil. I do feel like the product is a good quality though, and it blends well, it's pigmented. I'll go ahead and fill in my other eyebrow and come back with my final thoughts. I finished filling in my eyebrows and they don't look the best they've ever looked, but they don't look terrible. It is pretty quick to fill my eyebrows in since it's such a large pencil. It's just not super precise. I do feel like this light shade does still work for me, even though it is kind of more of a medium brown in my opinion. I have to remember that this was only $1 and it's a duo product, so taking that into consideration, I think that this is a good product for $1. You can definitely achieve some nice filled in brows, and I could even see using this ivory shade for any other options where you want a nude liner, like maybe you want it in your waterline or to outline lips if it's a lipstick that does tend to feather. So you could probably get some other uses out of this. I'd love to know in the comments down below your favorite e.l.f. eyebrow products, and maybe I can give those a try. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.